Hey guys, I purchased this EcoTune gadget from luxeston.com. This gadget's supposed to save me gas and increase the power and torque and so on and so on. It's supposed to be simple unit, just plug into OBD2, and this is supposed to reprogram my computer or fuel table whatsoever and should do this magic. Now we do some inspection of this hardware because I kindly skeptic about it. Here we have a schematic, what I draw from this unit, and let's open this unit. Here is the unit. When you're looking at this unit, very quick inspection, it's very suspicious. First thing, doesn't have any drive for cam. It should be driver, small chip. And it should be some controller, microcontroller, what is usually more than 8 pins, and crystal for clock, of course. Then, when we're looking on all these pins are OBD2 pins, any kind of functions, they are not connected. PC board is one side PC board, and there is no any traces running from those pins except 12 volts and negative 12 volts. It's been 12 volts, just power. And when you look on the schematic, that's the schematic, exactly what is it. We have a power, we have a red LED, yellow LED, green LED, and this is actually a reset button, what will actually reset the timer here and stop flashing. Then you think that you're programming. No, you do not programming. This is just very simple flasher for probably $50, whatever you purchase this for. But it's a scam. It's 100% scam because this device cannot listen, talk, and of course cannot reprogram your computer.